Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine the old-fashioned way. First, select about 200 pounds of ripe, high-quality wine grapes, usually harvested in late summer. Carefully remove all stems and leaves by hand to avoid any bitter notes in your wine. Next, crush the grapes, traditionally by foot, to release their juice, creating what is known as the must. Finally, add a small amount of sulfur dioxide to prepare the must for fermentation. Once the must is ready, transfer it into a clean, open-top fermentation vessel, like a large wooden barrel. You can rely on natural wild yeasts present on the grapes to start fermentation, or introduce a cultured wine yeast for more control. Stir the must 2 to 3 times daily to ensure the grape skins remain submerged, which extracts color and tannins. Maintain the temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal yeast activity. After about 5 to 10 days, once fermentation slows, it's time to press the fermented grape solids. This extracts the remaining wine from the skins and seeds. You might separate the free-run wine, which is higher quality, from the press wine. Then, transfer your wine into clean, airtight aging vessels, often oak barrels. Let it age for several months, typically 6 to 12 months, in a cool, dark cellar to develop its flavors. Over the next year, you'll rack the wine every 2 to 3 months, carefully siphoning it off the sediment that settles at the bottom. You might also use fining agents, such as egg whites, to help clarify the wine and remove any remaining impurities. Allow the wine to age further in barrels for another 6 to 12 months to gain complexity. Finally, bottle your finished wine into clean glass bottles, sealing them securely with corks for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.